girls by sniffs through snooks at the air. I smell yum yums. We can have sweet and share. I brought honey nuts, Badger says. And the green grin, let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch, and I chew chomp crunch. But the Bear Snores On. A gopher and the mole tunnel off the river floor, and the rat and the raven flutter through the door. Moon waters rain, what a night, what a storm 'twas then, and everybody closed in the great bear's den. They titter, they cat and they kitter, but Bear snores on. Now, hair stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, and a small pepper pluck makes the bear. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up! The nose and he snarls, the roars and he rumbles, the jumps and he stomps, the growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair, and you had. You all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on.
Hey, what's the mouse say? Mouse squeaks.
Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. We'll hand to the popcorn.
They spilled it, but they'll make some more. How does it end?
Our goldspur goggles his eyes with light, and he spins telltales through to the blustery night. When the sun peeks up in the clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.
Oh, what a wonderful book. Thank you, honey.
That was excellent, Jake. You're a very good reader.
I need to press here.
And now